Welcome to Cbuy Fintech Private Limited, a startup India-recognized company creating opportunities for growth, financial independence, and modern digital business. About the company. Cbuy is a private limited company registered under the Indian Companies Act of 1956, with its headquarters located in Kannur, Kerala. The company specializes in referral marketing, direct selling, and innovative digital retail solutions. Cbuy operates using a smart and tech-enabled marketing system. Its unique business model focuses on long-lasting careers, customer service, and income opportunities for individuals. The company promotes only those products and services that comply with Indian direct selling guidelines. Vision: to create a world where more successful business individuals can live the life they dream of. Mission: to become a global leader in direct marketing and innovative retailing. With every passing second, we proudly welcome a new member into the Cbuy family. By working with Cbuy, you enrich your life and the lives of others. Certifications: Cbuy proudly holds all mandatory registrations, including Certificate of Incorporation, GST registration, PAN registration, Startup India Recognition Certificate. Joining the business: anyone can join Cbuy as a customer or a business promoter. To become a business promoter: 1. Activate your ID by purchasing any Cbuy product. 2. Complete a mandatory 3-hour online training session within 24 hours. 3. After successful training, the company approves your direct selling agreement. 4. Every promoter is encouraged to recruit at least 3 business promoters each month. Each business promoter builds 3 key teams: sales team, my team, and C-Zone. Products and offers: InPay Platinum Utility App, a powerful mobile utility app offering. Mobile and DTH recharges, utility bill payments, premium membership, grocery discounts, cashback of 900 Indian rupees, paid as 100 Indian rupees each month for 9 months, and more. All this for just 999 Indian rupees. WingZ Blood Circulation Massager. Cbuy also offers the WingZ Blood Circulation Massager, priced at 13,499 Indian rupees, designed to improve blood circulation, reduce swelling, support hormone balance, aid digestion, promote overall wellness. A discounted price is available when purchased with the InPay Platinum plan. Income opportunities. Cbuy offers 6 types of income. 1. Sales bonus. 2. C-Zone bonus. 3. Leadership bonus. 4. My Team bonus. 5. Repurchase bonus. 6. Recharge discount. Income is based on sales, referrals, and team performance. Weekly payouts and unlimited levels make the plan flexible and scalable. C-Zone plan. All business promoters are eligible to participate in the C-Zone working plan. Benefits include support bonus, tour bonus, tab bonus, laptop bonus, 2-wheeler bonus, car bonus, villa bonus. C-Zone income offers repeated earning cycles and significant growth potential. Leadership bonus. Leadership income is generated when your team members make sales. Earnings are distributed up to 5 levels based on total team performance. A minimum of 5 sales is required to qualify for leadership income. Payout happens weekly. My Team bonus. This bonus is generated by the company and depends on overall business performance. My Team income includes standard business volume benefits, special referral income from the 3rd, 5th, and 7th levels, recharge discount. Promoters receive special discounts on mobile and DTH recharges, Geo and 5i recharges, utility bill payments. Discount rates increase with higher ranks. Promotion structure. Members can grow through multiple ranks: customer, business promoter, assistant sales manager, group manager, development manager, business manager, area manager, zonal manager, state head, brand ambassador. Each promotion requires completing team structure milestones. Terms and conditions. To join Cbuy, the individual must be at least 18 years old. KYC is mandatory, including PAN, Aadhaar, and bank details. Business promoters must complete training and attend meetings. PV and EV values depend on different products. Weekly payouts depend on attendance for online Google Meet sessions. Conclusion. Cbuy Fintech Private Limited aims to empower individuals with innovative business opportunities, transparent growth systems, and a reliable digital platform. Join Cbuy today and take your first step on the way to wealth.